Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Honda Ridgeline and I will show you which fuse to check in case your windshield washers are not working. This video will apply to Honda Ridgelines made from 2006 all the way up to 2014. Okay, now the fuse you want to check will be located in a small fuse box which is in the passenger's cabin just next to the driver's left foot behind this cover. You just want to pull this cover towards yourself and it will just slide out. On the back side of the cover you also have a small fuse diagram. The fuse you want to check will be fuse number 20, which is a small 7.5 amp fuse located right here. Okay, now in case this fuse proves to be good, you'll have to dig a bit deeper and start looking towards the possible motor issues, pump, wiring issue, and also make sure to inspect the nozzles. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.